It began as a whisper, an anomaly buried deep in the raw data of the James Webb Space Telescope. A pattern too precise, too rhythmic, too artificial. It wasn't dust, a dying star, or a comet. It was something else. Cold. Calculated. Terrifying. The object, 3ie Atlas. An interstellar visitor already defying the rules of physics. But a new Webb observation, captured secretly, would shatter everything we thought we knew. If the data is correct, 3ie Atlas isn't just a rogue traveler, it may be watching us. When first spotted, astronomers assumed it was another interstellar comet, like Oumuamua or Borisov. Strange visitors passing through our solar system, briefly appearing before vanishing. But 3ie Atlas immediately stood apart. Its trajectory and velocity raised eyebrows, but its behavior truly defied explanation. Unlike typical comets, which develop a glowing coma of water vapor and dust near the Sun, 3ie Atlas refused the rules. No coma. No tail. No water. Only carbon dioxide, emitted in vast quantities, and nothing else. NASA targeted the SPHEREx Observatory's infrared spectrometer expecting water or carbon monoxide, but the result? Nothing. Just CO2. A chemical profile never before seen. If it wasn't a comet or asteroid, what was it? Publicly, NASA stayed silent. Behind closed doors, Webb observed 3ie Atlas on August 6, 2025. No images, no press briefing, just a leak revealing a symmetrical CO2 halo stretching hundreds of thousands of kilometers, and infrared brightness emanating from within. Artificial light? Possibly. Emissions bore patterns resembling engineered photonic systems, repeating, structured wavelengths like cosmic Morse code. Its size, 46 kilometers in diameter. Far larger than any known interstellar object. Too deliberate to be random. Its trajectory was precise, aligning almost perfectly with the planetary plane. A 1 in 500 chance of occurring naturally. Passing near Earth, it continued deeper into the solar system. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb called it technologically suggestive. Its approach seemed optimized for observation, almost as if it wanted to be seen but not understood. Origin: Sagittarius constellation, the same region as the 1977 WOW signal. Coincidence? Unlikely. Speculation shifted to feasibility. What if 3ie Atlas isn't a comet but a technologically augmented object? Hollowed out, retrofitted with machinery, sensors, or a biomechanical system, protected by rock for interstellar travel. Thermal emissions displayed unmistakable modulation patterns. Flickering pulses aligned with prime number sequences, a universal mathematical language for intelligent contact. Pauses between pulses suggested observation, waiting, responding. The object wasn't just being watched, it was watching back. NASA immediately locked down data. Military satellites and X-37B spaceplanes were quietly aligned with its projected path. 3ie Atlas was no longer a scientific curiosity, it was a strategic concern. Some proposed an even darker possibility: it isn't just a machine, but a hybrid intelligence. Autonomous, adaptive, observing, capable of choosing its targets. Timing reinforced the threat. Its path suggests a schedule. Models predict it will enter the asteroid belt within 9 months, likely to execute a maneuver requiring immense propulsion, or something unknown. Leaked data revealed a shadow trailing the object. Linear. Perfectly maintained. A self-shading mechanism projecting outward. Weeks later, after passing behind the Sun, Webb scientists thought it had vanished. But faint signals emerged, a recurring frequency nearly identical to hydrogen's universal align, repeating every 12 hours and 3 minutes. Too precise. Too intentional. Voyager 1 data from decades ago revealed the same signal, dismissed at the time. Now it aligns with 3ie Atlas's emissions, almost as if responding, or homing in. Infrared spectrograms revealed a map. Bursts overlaid with Gaia star maps traced the Triangulum galaxy, 2.73 million light-years away, looping back to Earth. This object wasn't drifting, it was plotting a calculated arrival. Officially, it's a comet, nothing to worry about. Privately, panic. Discussions of non-human cognition, intelligence encoded in motion, radiation, and silence. James Webb may not have discovered a ship. It may have glimpsed a mind, and it is staring back. The countdown has begun. A map has been drawn. A signal grows stronger. NASA isn't panicking because it doesn't understand, it's panicking because it does. The question isn't what 3ie Atlas is. It's why now? Why Earth? And what happens when the countdown reaches 0? Because if the data is correct, this object isn't passing through, it's coming home.